Well, morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are in the world. Hope all is well. Health is good. Really quick update today. Just thought I'd recap. The type of investments that I'm doing are related to small cap companies and the energy transition investment theme. And that's what I've been focusing on, / sustainability. I have a wider portfolio, but I've been focusing on just a few companies to go initially on a journey. I've been focusing on being a long-term investor, investing in early stage / mid-stage companies and seeing them through to execution, through to production, which is one of the most difficult things to do because then you really see the proof in the pudding and it's not just speculation. Two of those companies that I've been pretty focused on and vocal about, Vulcan Energy Resources and MINBOS Resources. Now, you've all seen what's been happening in the market with respect to commodity prices, in particular the lithium spot price in China. Let's be very, very specific about that. And other factors which seem to have, spooked the markets or perhaps deflated over expectations or bubble or whatever you want to call it. Nevertheless, I start like this. The energy transition is a long-term theme. The decisions are made. Believe me, global governments are done. No matter how many protests you see out there or different analyses about, which produces the most emissions, etc. The world is electrifying. Take it or leave it, right? That's the first thing. Second, lithium is here to stay. And the long-term supply demand dynamics are very clear. Do your analysis. You can look at short-term fluctuations. What I'd say to all of you is look at the oil price. Look at how the oil price has fluctuated, gyrated, up and down in the last couple of years, and you'll get what I mean. It's a commodity. It's a similar kind of stories that we have with respect to lithium. So I invest long-term, good companies. Two of those companies, MINBOS Resources, Vulcan Energy Resources, are moving into close to production phase, and their share prices both have recently tanked, decreased, gone down. What's my reaction? What should my reaction be? The fear index in the market is high, so this is a perfect time for me to reassess my companies, reassess my convictions, and therefore I decided and have executed an increase in 10% of holdings of both of those companies because based on my analysis and conviction of their long-term value, I think it's great investment. In fact, if you have cash now, do your own research. This is not investment advice. If I had even more cash now, I'd be investing more. So I'm looking forward to the next 6, 12, 18 months, but I have high confidence that these investments are really going to pay up, as it were. So that's just a quick update. I have increased my holding in 2 shares, which have verifiably in the last 6 months really gone down. With the rest of the small cap markets, obviously some small caps are doing well, you have the ups and downs, etc. And I mean, uranium stocks are on a tear at the moment. I've gone, let's say, counter-cyclical to that. So what I did, I won't name the company, but I invested early into uranium, and now there's hype, it's booming. And I've been in this particular investment quite a while. I have this time around cashed my investment because I believe it's the time really is to sell is when you're in peak fever, peak interest period. So, but do your own research, not advice. Okay, that's it. Have a great day. I'm with Vulcan and MINBOS into production. Thanks.